What if the reason nothing is truly moving forward at work is because you're doing too much of the wrong things? Imagine a treadmill. You're running, sweating, exerting immense effort, but you're not actually going anywhere. That's what busyness without purpose feels like. And the busier you get, the less real, tangible progress you actually make. It's a paradox that traps countless individuals and organizations, leading to burnout, frustration, and stagnation. This isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter, by understanding the fundamental difference between activity and achievement. It's about questioning the very definition of productivity that society has ingrained in us. Most people are conditioned to believe that being busy inherently means being productive. If your calendar is packed from morning till night, back-to-back meetings, endless calls, if your inbox is constantly pinging with new tasks and replies, demanding immediate attention, if you're constantly working, putting in long hours, juggling multiple projects, always on, then surely you must be moving forward, right? You must be a high achiever, a dedicated professional. Society often praises busyness as a virtue, a badge of honor, a sign of dedication and success. We wear our exhaustion as a symbol of our commitment. But this belief is a dangerous illusion, a mirage that promises progress but delivers only exhaustion. The biggest turning points at work, the moments of true breakthrough and innovation, the achievements that genuinely propel you forward, don't come from doing more. They rarely emerge from simply adding another task to an already overflowing plate. They come from doing the right thing. They emerge from clarity, from deep focus, and often from the courage to say no. And most of the time, that right thing is the one critical, often uncomfortable task you keep avoiding. It's the strategic decision that requires quiet contemplation, the difficult conversation that demands emotional courage, the deep analytical work. Let's look at a powerful historical example. When Steve Jobs returned to Apple in 1997, the company wasn't inactive, far from it. It was a whirlwind of activity. It was busy, almost chaotically so. Too many products, too many projects, too many directions. Apple was producing everything from printers to digital cameras. Apple was spread thin, losing money, and lacked a clear vision. Its resources were hemorrhaging across a vast, unfocused portfolio. From the outside, it looked like effort. Employees were working tirelessly, trying to keep all these disparate projects afloat. But internally, nothing was clearly moving forward. The company was adrift, its resources diluted, its brand identity muddled. It was a prime example of busyness without purpose. So Jobs made a radical decision, a decision that flew in the face of conventional business wisdom. He didn't add more. He didn't launch new initiatives or acquire more companies to fix things. Instead, he cut most of it. He famously slashed Apple's product line from hundreds to just 4 core products, 2 desktops and 2 portables aimed at consumers and professionals. He eliminated projects that didn't align with a clear, focused future, even if they had dedicated teams and significant investment. He focused on a few key products, believing that true innovation came from intense focus on a narrow range of offerings, allowing Apple to pour all their creative and engineering genius into making those few products exceptional. At the time, it didn't look like progress to many. It looked like retreat, like giving up market share. It looked like doing less, possibly even risky, especially for a company on the brink of bankruptcy. Many analysts and employees were skeptical, even fearful, but this ruthless simplification was the catalyst for Apple's historic turnaround, leading to iconic products like the iMac, iPod, iPhone, and iPad. It was a testament to the power of strategic elimination over endless accumulation, proving that less, when focused, can indeed be more. The reason busyness feels so productive, so compelling, so addictive, is because it gives immediate feedback. You complete tasks, check items off a list, and feel a surge of accomplishment. Respond to messages, clearing your inbox, and experience a sense of control. You tackle small, manageable items, and each completion provides a mini victory. Your brain rewards that with a hit of dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter. It feels like progress, a constant stream of small victories that keeps you engaged and feeling effective. This immediate gratification reinforces the behavior, creating a cycle of busy work. But meaningful work, the kind that truly drives innovation, creates lasting value, and leads to long-term success, often doesn't give that immediate reward. It's a marathon, not a series of sprints. It feels slower, more uncertain, more uncomfortable. It requires sustained effort, deep concentration, and often a tolerance for ambiguity. The payoff might be weeks, months, or even years away. So your brain, wired for immediate rewards and avoiding discomfort, avoids it. It perceives the lack of instant feedback as a lack of progress, even a threat, and replaces it with activity, with the comforting hum of busyness, the illusion of constant forward motion. You stay busy, but you avoid the one thing that would actually move things forward. The strategic task that demands your full, undivided attention and offers the greatest long-term impact. This is the trap of shallow work versus deep work. Shallow work is easy to measure, easy to complete, and provides instant feedback. Deep work is challenging, requires focus, and its rewards are often long-term and less immediate, but infinitely more significant. As Apple co-founder Steve Jobs famously said, deciding what not to do is as important as deciding what to do. This wasn't just a clever quote, it was his operating philosophy, a guiding principle that reshaped one of the world's most iconic companies. He didn't create progress by doing more, by adding features or expanding product lines indiscriminately. He created it by removing what didn't matter, by ruthlessly simplifying and focusing on excellence in a few key areas. His genius lay in subtraction, not addition, in the courage to eliminate the good to make way for the great. So the problem isn't that you're not working enough. It's rarely about a lack of effort or dedication. It's that you're measuring progress by activity, by the sheer volume of tasks completed or hours logged, rather than by actual impact. But activity and progress are not the same. They are often inversely related. The more scattered your activity, the less focused your progress. You can do more and still not move an inch closer to your most important goals. You can be incredibly active, yet utterly stagnant. So the question shifts from "what did I complete today?" a question focused on output quantity, to a more profound and impactful inquiry. What actually moved forward today? What significant step did I take towards my most important objectives? What truly impactful decision did I make? Because those are not always the same. This shift in perspective is crucial for unlocking genuine productivity. It forces you to evaluate your actions not by their quantity, but by their impact, by their alignment with your ultimate goals. It's about prioritizing leverage over labor. The shift is not to do more, to cram more into your day, or to chase an elusive state of constant busyness. In fact, it's often about doing less, but doing it with greater intention. It's to recognize that busyness can be a powerful distraction, a sophisticated form of procrastination, a sophisticated, socially acceptable way to avoid the uncomfortable, challenging work that actually creates progress. And once you truly see that, once you internalize this distinction between activity and achievement, you start working differently. You prioritize differently. You say no more often, protecting your time and energy for what truly counts. You seek impact over activity, quality over quantity. You begin to cultivate a mindset where focus and clarity are valued above all else, leading to more meaningful achievements, less wasted effort, and a profound sense of accomplishment that busyness alone can never provide. You become a strategist of your own time. If this perspective made you see your situation differently, if it sparked a new way of thinking about your work and your goals, if it challenged your ingrained beliefs about productivity, subscribe to Daily Reset Lab for more insights and strategies like this. Join our community dedicated to transforming busyness into true productivity and achieving real, lasting progress.